Hello friends, I'm back with another video. I'm making this video for the Nokia earphones having the model number WH201. You can buy this phone from Nokia website. It costs around 830 rupees and it is exactly 830 rupees if you buy it from Nokia website. And I haven't checked out any other website for the deals or lower price. But this has an inbuilt microphone with remote to manage calls and music. Optimal in-ear fit, like you have the basic pair of buds that is installed with the earphones, and you get two extras if you according to you can use it for your ear size and all. So it has a milled aluminium acoustic chamber which helps good bass and the clarity of sound. So we will check that out while I use it. And you get a 10 mm dynamic driver. If you can see, it's 20 to 20 kHz and impedance is 16 ohms, and it supports 3.5 mm jack as always. So as I told you earlier, here it is already mentioned that 3 pairs of earbuds are available, that is small, medium and large. And we get a quick start guide here, a pair of Nokia Stereo earphones. So why wait, my friends? Let's dig in. So as always, we get the seal off here. I was going to cut my hands. Oh my god. So I have already cut the seal on this side. So let's open this up. So we're going to make it a quick video because this is a small product and I don't want to describe a lot, so keep this aside. So this is the headphone that we get here. So this comes up like this, and first we need to pull the right side. As you can see here it is mentioned it is right and this is left. So first you need to pull off the right side because and do remember, my friends, while removing this, do careful, just a little tab. Don't pull it right away, it will come up from here. So this is my experience, I'm saying it. And then the left side will come up like this. So remember to pull this also in the same way because these wires, I don't feel they can hold that kind of pressure. So this one is the last one. Yes, it's come off. We can check out this. And as I mentioned, the extra buds, you might be missing where they are. So what you need to do is close this up, go to the back. As you can see here, there is a tab here, so you need to pull this like this from here. You need to pull from here. Okay, it opens up like this. Same here. Then this paper bag will come out. So it is a nice thinking, but usually normal people will forget if I have anything here. So next what we have to do is I forgot where it is. Like, yeah, you can pull it off like this. No, not from here. Let's check this out. Somewhere it was getting opened up. Yes, this here. You can open it up here like this. So it is open now. You get the extra buds here. You get the user manual here. Let me pull it out. Put this aside. So we got the quick start. Here's a manual here. You get the extra buds here, and the earphones. So the earphones wire quality is very nice. As you can see here, these are not glossy. These are matte finish. So when you use it, it won't slip off from your hand or from your ears, and if you are hanging it on your neck. So the build quality is very nice. As you can see here, this has a good build quality. Here is a metal finish here and it looks nice, and when you hold it to your ears, then it will give a good sound, I hope. So let's check this out. Before that, I will show you how the quality of material they are using with these buttons. So the tactile feel is very nice. I can feel it. I think you might also hear. Let me show you. So it's a good thing. Let's check out the sound. I have got my Note 9 here. Let's use this in here. I don't have the Nokia right now with me. Okay, where's the headphone jack? I need to open this up. Yes. Let's use this. Give me 1 minute. So I got it installed here with my phone, and I used it. I can't make you hear this because this is a earphones, but as for my uses, and I felt the sound quality is really nice. If you compare to the price, it is only 800 rupees, and with the 800 rupees the sound quality is really nice. I love it. The treble is good, the bass is good, and there is no distortion. So I will suggest you go ahead and buy this, because Nokia, hats off to you. You are keeping up to your words gradually. Come up to the higher player like the Samsung. They are making AKG and all, and by remembering about the AKG earphones that I get on the Note 9, those earphones don't sound that good if you compare this one, because in AKG I am fine. I have listened a lot and I compared this earphones with AKG. AKG gives much more treble than this earphones. This earphones have a consistency treble. That means I want to say that in this earphone you will get perfect treble and perfect bass, rather than like some earphones that will be light and you won't be getting any bass and you will be getting only treble. So go ahead, my friends, you can buy this. I will recommend it. Go ahead and buy this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.